Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so are you actually struggling for your eyebrow to grow, or you're actually seeing people who have full eyebrow and you're wishing it's you? Okay, so wish no more because your dream would come true. Okay, so because this natural remedy that I'm going to be showing you would help you to grow up your eyebrow, and it will make it thick and full. Okay, so if you want to know what it all comprises, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share the video. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button, okay, so you will be notified. Okay guys, alright, drop your personal or curious or beauty questions on my website, and let's run into this video. So for a longer eyebrow and eyelashes, we're going to be needing fresh aloe vera. Okay, so you can actually use the fresh aloe vera, anyone you can lay your hand on, guys, you can actually use it. This is perfect and this is perfect, okay, because aloe vera is a great moisturizing therapy that helps for dry, irritated skin, and it also works for sunburn, and it will also help to grow a long and thick eyebrow and eyelashes. Okay, and we're gonna be needing this, and you're just gonna be taking the aloe vera. Alright guys, so for me, I just love to measure out all of the ingredients that I use. So I'm going to be taking in 1 tablespoon of fresh aloe vera, okay, into the bowl. Now you can actually just make a little so you don't have to waste it, okay. And we're going to be needing vitamin E oil. Okay, so I have different types. I have the vitamin E oil and I have the vitamin E capsule. So any of this you can lay your hands on, you can actually use it. This is actually cheaper, guys. This is more expensive, but this lasts long because it's pretty much okay. It's a very thick oil that helps to grow hair. All right, so then I'm going to also be needing the vitamin E. So for the vitamin E, you can actually use half teaspoon. Okay, you don't actually need to use too much of that. Then we're going to be dropping that because we have, and also we're going to be making use of castor oil. Castor oil is a very thick oil that helps also in growing hair, and it also helps to repair hair follicles. And then to use other oil, which is also the castor oil. Okay, so you just take half teaspoon of the castor oil also into this. Okay, so now what we're going to do is to set this aside, guys, and then we're going to be needing onion. Okay, because onion is great in stimulating the hair glands, therefore bringing forth hair and making your hair thick and long. And now we're just going to prepare the onion. Alright, so I'm actually doing this for the interest of people who actually do not know how to prepare onion, because I know some people. So now we're just going to be getting the juice of the onion. Okay, so however you want to get your juice is still okay, but for me, I'm just going to be creating this. Okay, so you can either blend it or you create it. Okay, but however you make it, we just need the juice, and we need just a little of the juice. Okay, so this is gonna be okay. Alright guys, so after we've done, now we're just gonna be straining this. We're gonna be taking some juice of the onion. Okay, we're just going to be putting the juice into this. Alright, that is actually gonna be okay. Now the next thing we're just gonna do is to mix this and mix it very well. I'm gonna mix it this way. Alright, so it's gonna be looking somewhat like this, like a gel. Okay, so you have to make sure to mix it very well. Now let me smell it. Okay, so the thing is that it doesn't actually like smell like onion at all. Okay, I'm sure the castor oil and the vitamin E oil has actually conceal the smell of the onion. It doesn't smell bad. Okay, so turn this into a very small container. Okay, you can see I have this in this container, but you can turn it in a container where you can, you know, actually dip your hand like this and then you apply it. Okay, so let's go to the bathroom. Let me show you how I'm gonna be applying this. Okay, so here's this is it. Okay, here's the treatment for the eyebrow and eyelashes, guys. So what you do is to grab it this way and then you apply it onto your eyebrow like that. Okay, so you apply it this way. Apply, let it be much, guys. When it's much, that's when you are going to be seeing a huge result. Okay, so what you do is that you have to open up your eyes, don't close it, or you can actually close it and just apply it on your eyelashes like this. Or for me, I would prefer to open up my eyes, but trust me, guys, you know that stuff when you cut onion, that's what is going to be happening when you apply this on your eyes. But if you can't apply it on your eyes, it's okay, guys. Okay, so this is how your eye is going to be very watery and as if you're crying, just like the way mine is right now. But it's not going to do anything. It's actually very healthy also for the eyes, for the eyesight and all of that. So what you do is to leave it on your eyebrow for like 5 to 10 minutes, and after that you can actually just wipe it off like this. Okay, you wipe it off. If you actually choose to wash it, you can go wash it off, but if you don't want, if you want to take your bath, just wipe it off and leave it there. It's just going to be working really well to, you know, grow your brow. So after that, then you actually just go wash it off. Okay, right. Okay, all right, so yeah, it's perfect for my eyes right now. Okay, so after that, you can actually store it as long as you want. It's actually not something that would really go bad. It's not going to go bad, but when you store it for like 2-3 weeks, you have to dispose it so you can make a new one. Okay, because it's actually not going to go bad, but you have to apply it every. All right, guys, so that's it. That's how I personally take care of my eyebrow and eyelashes. Okay, if you repeat that as I've told you in the video, you are going to be having your eyebrow very full and your eyelashes very long. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you did love the video, please don't forget to hit on the like button and don't forget to subscribe and also share the video. Okay, guys, follow me on Instagram and drop all of your curious questions on my website, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay flawless and bye, guys.